look for the reading, which is here it will be around 29 degrees Celsius.
So today we are going to use a soil moisture meter. Let's have a look. First, turn on this. Let's have a look. First, put this stick on soil. And then
You can see the reading here.
the second.
The second reading, 43%. Information for moisture.
Okay.
Right. So what we have here is a light meter. Okay, so first, just turn it on. This so. Then this one, place it flat on the palm of your hand. Just look for a stroke of light. So based on what we have here, the light meter reading is 26.2. Okay.
Okay, hello guys. The name of this apparatus is chlorimeter. First, we need to on it like this. Then we need to press it first to make the value to be 0. Then we need to click of the apparatus to on it. And then we got the value.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, 57.9.
okay.